Hi everyone. Today in this video I'll show you how to get the invoice of your previous rides on Ola. So open your Ola app, and in the top menu, top left, you can see three menu, that is which I've highlighted. Click on that and you can see an option called your rides. Please click on that. So once you click on that, all your past rides will come up with their start location and that. So click on any ride. So once you click on that, you can see an option in the bottom called mail invoice, which I have highlighted. If you click on that, it will ask you enter your email address, and your original email address, the email address linked to Ola, will be populated by default. If you want to retain the same, you can just click on send. If you want to edit it, you can edit it and edit it and click on send. Once you click on send, that email will be sent. You can see invoice was successfully emailed to this particular email, and click on OK. So the invoice will be sent to your email with the CRN, that is the ID which Ola uses to recognize. You can see I have received the email that from Ola. So this way you can mail your invoice to your inbox of your Ola's previous rides, this way. And if you want to even email your policy of your ride insurance, click on email my policy. This will be available in that trip section only, and click on send, and even that will be emailed. This is the way you can email your past ride invoice through Ola. If you have any queries, you can click on support section just next to mail invoice, and through the support all your queries will be answered. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you have any other queries regarding Ola or tech and money management, let me know through the comment section. I'll try to help you. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.
You say you wanna try, but you never